Hello, my name is Anandu Shankarapi. Here I am introducing the project which I am done under the description of Magnet Brain. According to this description, this project is a simple task manager application which carries two user type. One was author user and another one is normal user. And here the open page of this project, when we opening the localhost 5173, it will directly take you to login page. I'm here done a basic login and sign up page, and here we clicking no account sign up, it will be take you sign up page, and we have the already an account, it will take to login page. And just make a simple login and sign up page, and it sign up page carrying username password, confirm password, and authorized user, which means if you want to create an authorized user account or not. If you click here, it will be turned into an authorized user, and if you place input your data here, and you will be become an authorized user in this website, or else it will be turned to normal user. Okay, I never get into here. I just go to login area, and I am already created a authorized account, and I just show that account out here. And just login and just successfully logged in. And the interface here is very important. This authorized user interface. Here we can create the new task. That is the home page. Here we can see the interface. Here we can create a new task. According to this or the authorized user, which carries total task time, and we can look through the input field which working or not. Okay, I just typing an heading. I just typing a random characters, and I just copying that thing and paste it. And you can as your priority, you can make it anywhere. Here low is there, medium is there, high is there. I just make it high, and I just create it. Okay, we have to fill all the field. So here I didn't mention the due date, so I must need to fill the due date. And I click that, and I just inform 29 and just created it. And task is created. And where we can see the task, it we can see the task list. Okay, here we can go to next page, and here this is the task heading here, and the description, and the created date, and the due date. All the things are out here. What we created, that will be listed out here. Okay, let's look at on the code how this create new task working. Jump through front end code first. This is the task or the other user main page area. Here we creating the task, and you can see the task data and set task data. Both are the things taking values from the input. Here this thing carrying an object which include title, description, due date, priority, those kind of things, which carries these things input values and assign in here. And when we click the create button, it directly take the take this API and send this task data to the backend. We can look through the backend area. Backend area, I create two controllers. One is auth controller and another one is task controller. Auth controller controlling the user signing and logging things. And here task controller, first we have the create task area. This handler will handle all the task data from the front end and take it here and create a new task here, and which will be display out there. And I send that task here through the response, and it will be easily accessed in the front end area. Okay, now we can go to the task listing area, and here we see the editing part and deleting part. Just look how it working. I just click the editing area, okay, and I just change it, authentication module, change it to authentication, and I just uh, editor here to your authentication. Change the due date here, as I like. I just mentioned 30. Sorry, it's already 30. Just mention 29, and the priority I just give to high. This medium, you can see here, a high, and I just click edit button, and it edited successfully. Okay, and here everything coming very fastly. You can see it lively updating the all the data into here. That's because of I built this data sorting in the way of asynchronous, and it will take directly data from backend area immediately when it gets changed. Okay, just look at the editing part of the code. You can see all tasks here. The editing and deleting functionality were working here, and we can see all the tasks of that particular authorized user, and it will list out here. Okay, this is the editing area. Here I created lots of states, which is date edit, heading edit, description edit, priority edit, and I when I clicking, which means when I clicking here, it will take an ID of that particular data, and I will filter that particular object into this task view, and from that task view I just take that ID into here for updating that particular task in backend, and here I make a due date, priority, those kind of these things will take data here from here. Sorry, that's not enough. And there, this part in the open model editing area. From here it take all the data, and it will be go to the backend area. You can see the set heading edit, and that take the values and send back to backend area. When I click edit, that time this functionality will trigger, and it carries this all data into backend area, and there's other thing working. And let's see the second code of that editing area. When we take all the edited data from here, from the backend, from the front end to backend, and here we just take that particular task ID and set this new edited data, or if there is no edit happen, it will take the older data test, and it will assign into here. And these are the things I done on the part, and yeah, that's working fine. Look at the deleting part. User interface, here you can deleting area, and I just click. So okay, this one I here to delete, we last created one. Just click create and delete button, and it will show a pop-up a warning message, and I just clicking yes, I'm sure, and it's deleting. See, it's lively updating that thing, and it's deleted there. And let's look at the code. Where delete task functionality were starting, it's just making open model thing, that because for opening that particular pop-up model. And here the submitting thing, the same as like I take in the ID, and that I get a specified deleting object, and I just pass that ID into backend area like this with the Axios method delete, and it will go to the backend area, and we can go to the backend part. Then this is the code, delete task code. Here you can see it taking the ID from front end, and I check the task, is it in that task list or not, and I finally I delete that task from the task model from that MongoDB database. Then after task will be deleted. Okay, this is simple as like this. didn't mention how this live updation were happening here. Okay, that because of this previous state, I taking the data by using this previous state method, because you know the all the task datas and user datas which making my application more stable, because of I taking data in every user method, every rendering by using user that because of I just stored my user ID in the cookies area, and it fetches the cookie user ID, and it will and assign if it data will clean clean in the middle of reloading time, and then it always take that data again and again, which that data same as we taking that task or the task, that task is listing out all tasks. Okay, so with the use of this previous method, I getting that data very quickly, and I just assigning here and listing out here. This delete sorry, this priority as in a different color, medium, high, medium as blue, high as red, and low as black color. How I made it? So it I done with the use of ternary operator, and you can see out here, this is the code. Here you can see the if the priority is equal to medium, it will be blue, or it is equal to high, it's red, or else it is black, and it is completely style done under Tailwind CSS. View the task by clicking this view. We can view the task. That's enough. And the pagination method also I added here, and we can look at pagination method. Here you can see the pagination method starting from the beginning. And beginning this area is the pagination method. This current page and set current page I make two, and that start index minus into item page, that is 6, which means in the first C you can see that your task is listing 6 way, 1 2 3 4 5 6, just like that. For that how many tasks will be listed out in the initial time, it is 6. That number I figured here, and it will be calculated with current page minus 1 with the item page with this number, and we get a end index, that is starting index plus item page. Here we get start index by using this, and end index, and the current task will be will be assigned into auth task plus slice, which is start index and end index I just mentioned before. The auth task is a task which is listing here, which taking from app.js the under use context. It is globalized variable, and it always carry the authorized task list here, which help to move the page. Look at here. Here the pagination start, pagination page controlling system were starting here. Here we can plus, and it will is equal to 1, and it will go move, and here this will working, and like that. And coming to next area, we can see the normal user area, how the normal user working. I am already created a normal user. Okay, and I just logged in. Okay, this is a normal user page will be displayed. I early mentioned that all the user page interface is different, and normal user page interface is different. I done because through login area, where is it? Yeah, here we can see if the role is equal to all the user, navigate to home page, or else it will navigate to user home page. That user home page is this. This is a user home page, and here we can see all the tasks, and I here also implemented pagination like this, and we can view user each task by clicking this, and we can see the due date and priority, and these are the user area remaining, and it's working very fine. I'm concluding here. Once again, thank you for Magnetic Brain for this wonderful opportunity to working with this wonderful project, and I'm looking forward. Thank you.